Imzakole Magdawani shouldn't be alive. This is him on the 16th of August 2012, as police shot dead 34 miners. Permanently disabled now, by some miracle he survived, but he's still searching for answers.
What is being done is not right. We were supposed to get money for the lawyers. People are being protected rather than being exposed. Zuma gets lawyers for the police, but he doesn't get lawyers for the victims.
Answers these marchers want too. Organisers say they believe the state is obstructing justice deliberately.
I believe they don't want the truth out. They are trying to conceal the truth because so far it's becoming apparent that the police shot at the workers without provocation. And the workers were peaceful and wanting to talk to the employer or any authority that would listen to them.
A lack of funds has led to further delays to an already stop-start legal process. Government wasn't available for interview, but it's previously argued that it's obliged to pay for the legal fees of its employees only, and that financing the other side would constitute a conflict of interest. The Constitutional Court ruled last month it wasn't its job to meddle. So the argument has been taken to the streets, more organised, its followers more numerous.
The numbers aren't huge, perhaps a few thousand, but they're certainly making enough noise so that the presidency's office at the top of this hill will be able to take note. But what's striking as well is the colours. The green of AMCU, the red of Julius Malema's new party, Economic Freedom Fighters, and the blue of the main opposition party here, the Democratic Alliance.
With elections next year, this is becoming an issue opponents are using to attack the ANC, noticeably absent in the crowds. This is about justice, but it's about more than that now. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Pretoria.